Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So since I had shared the Shadow Box mini album with you guys, I thought I would share the card that I have made to go along with the mini album. So this is what is this, 8-2 size, I believe. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I made it into a shadow box as well. So this is the outside. And of course I used the 2 gold papers, and these are a couple of pieces of the chipboard that I had gotten for that collection that I'm using. And I just matted this, a couple, 2-3 times, and just stuck some chipboard on there. I did though ink the edges of the chipboard because it was kind of blending in with the background, and I wanted it to to be distinguished. So I went ahead and inked the edges, and of course it says with love, and I just love this little bird cage. Anyway, so it is gold throughout, and I feel like I still need to clean it up a little bit more. So this is the back. Let me clean that. This is just water, guys, and take a little bit of just a tiny bit of something with just a tiny bit of water, and you can clean that up. There you go, like it never happened. And then it is gold all the way around. And when I made this, I did make this just a little bit taller than the actual box, because I knew I was going to put some Velcro on there, and I didn't want it to like pop up from one side. So I did give it 1/8 of an inch more here at the corner, so that it would lay flat and it wouldn't raise up after the Velcro. So yeah, I'm still looking at spots that I need to clean up. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to work with mirrored cardstock because it picks up the the little glue really quickly. Anyway, so here is the front of the box, and like I said, it has Velcro. I'm sorry guys, I can't help it. If I don't do it right now, I'm gonna forget it, and it's not gonna get cleaned up. Okay, so it, like I said, it does have Velcro on for the closure, so it'll stay closed. She can do whatever she wants with it afterwards. But anyway, so it's got a little Velcro dot right there and right there. So I just put a piece of pink paper on the inside. I fussy cut these from the paper collection, and this is where I'm going to write my note to her. And then this is the shadow box. So again, these are 2 of the chipboard pieces, and they're just up on foam. A couple of roses, several roses, 3 on this side, 1 at this corner. And I just highlighted on the background paper, I just highlighted a couple of roses. Again, I used the white leaf, and then I used stickles on the chipboard pieces, and then I did cut these tiny little corners. These are Sizzix, and they belong to a certain set, and I don't remember the name of the set, but these were perfect for the corners. So I thought I would just put them on there, and yeah, I like the way it turned out. And then the pop of color in that really pretty, what is that? Let me see what color this is. Pearl satin. I just love that color. And then the stickles that I used are the diamond stickles. Those are my 2 favorite right now. So anyway guys, I thought I would share this with you because I really like the way this turned out. I really do. And it wasn't the card, it's a shadow box card. It's not that difficult to make. I hope that this inspires you. I can see one for Christmas. I really can. for all occasions really. But anyway, so I thought I would share that with you guys, and thank you so much. And if you don't mind, guys, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me. I would really appreciate that thumbs up. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great afternoon. Thanks a lot, guys.